Good day, everyone. My name is James Jose Ronquillo, and I am a grade 9 student. My title for today's video is 5 Ways We Use Math in Our Everyday Life. Math is often just seen as numbers, formulas, and problem solving inside a classroom. But in reality, math plays a huge role in our everyday lives, sometimes without us even realizing it. Today, I will be discussing 5 important ways we use math in our daily lives, especially as students. First, financial planning and budgeting. Math is essential when it comes to managing money. We use math to calculate our allowance, track expenses, and decide how much to save. Percentages help us understand discounts when shopping, while interest rates explain how banks grow our savings or how loans increase over time. Even planning future expenses like school supplies or gadgets requires basic algebra and estimation. Second, time management and scheduling. Math helps us organize our daily routines. We calculate how long it takes to finish homework, commute to school, or prepare for exams. By understanding time intervals and deadlines, we can create schedules that balance academics, hobbies, and rest. Without math, managing our time efficiently would be very difficult. Third, cooking, nutrition, and measurement. Whenever we cook or bake, we rely on math. Measuring ingredients uses fractions, ratios, and unit conversions, such as grams to kilograms or milliliters to liters. Math is also used in nutrition. Reading food labels, calculating calorie intake, and understanding serving sizes help us make healthier choices. Fourth, technology, media, and data usage. In today's digital world, math is everywhere. Our phones, apps, and games are powered by algorithms and data analysis. We use math when tracking screen time, understanding internet data limits, and even analyzing likes, views, and engagement on social media. Statistics and percentages help us interpret information more critically. Lastly, sports, fitness, and performance analysis. Math plays a big role in sports and physical activities. Athletes calculate speed, distance, averages, and accuracy to improve performance. Coaches use statistics to analyze strengths and weaknesses, while students use math to track fitness progress and set realistic goals. In conclusion, math is not just a school subject, it is a life skill. From managing money and time to understanding technology and improving performance, math helps us make smarter decisions every day. Learning math prepares us not just for exams, but for real life challenges as well. Thank you for listening.